How to add affiliate link to Squarespace website. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to add affiliate link into your website that you're creating on Squarespace. So first thing, you need to open the website and log in into your Squarespace account, and on the left side panel of the screen, go ahead and go to Commerce. Here under Commerce, you just need to go under Set up your store and click on the plus icon on the product, and then click on physical product. And here what you just need to do is to input the details about the product that you wish to add into your store. So let's say I'll just input here just a sample. This video is just for a demo. I'll just put there sample. And then here what you just need to do is click on additional info. What you can do here is that input the information that you want. For example, you can add the link of that affiliate that you want to add into the product. So for example, you have a link from another store like Amazon or eBay or Shopee or Shopify. You can simply just copy the link of that product, that specific product that you want to add, and then just paste it into the space provided under additional info. So here, so you can add a few details. Once you have pasted the information or the link, you can go ahead and also click the link to get more info about the product. Okay, so once that's done, you can just simply click on apply. That's on the upper right corner of the screen. And then you can also input images about the product that you have with a link that you pasted earlier. And once completed, you just go ahead and click on save onto the upper right corner of the screen here. So once all of these informations are filled out, you can go ahead and save these information, and that's how you will be adding the affiliate link into your Squarespace website. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.